All right, welcome to day 5 of the 30-day Opening Range Breakout Challenge. Today's the end of the week. It's Friday, NFP. NFP turned out great for us. This was the first week of the challenge. I'm excited about going forward. I wasn't really being really aggressive trading this week because of NFP, just due to uncertainty with the market and the war going on, things like that. You just want to be cautious and not go full gusto. But now that we are out of that major news, we can continue going on with this like we should have in the beginning. But as you guys can see, the cheat code does not lie, right? So this is the daily time frame for USD CAD. I traded this the whole entire week. Get a cheat code buy signal here, and that let me know that prices are going to continue up, and that's exactly what we did. We had mostly all bullish days for the whole entire week. Let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame real quick. Okay, so here on the 1 hour with the CC Trend Pro, you can see that price was obviously above it. We had a nice W formation. Price came down, created a low, created a high, and then we had a pullback day. Okay, and then price shot up for the rest of the week. NFP did its thing. So this is a nice W formation, as you guys can see. This is a reversal pattern that we got. We got our signal from the daily time frame, and we just stuck with the trend for that week. So here on the 4 hour time frame, we finally broke above the CC Trend Pro moving averages. So we got our buy signal. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. We got a trend change candle, that yellow candle right there. Lets us know that the trend has changed here on the 4 hour time frame. So now we should be trending higher here on USD CAD. Also, another catalyst, you guys have to remember that oil. Let's take a look at oil real quick. Crude oil, where is it at? Okay, so for the entire week here on crude oil was falling. Okay, so when crude oil falls, that's a catalyst for USD CAD to push up. Okay, so that's another confluence you guys can keep in your arsenal. When oil's falling, USD CAD is going up. All right, let's go back to USD CAD. So yeah, we broke above the CC Trend Pro, closed above it fully. Trend has changed. If we go to the 1 hour, we can see that for the entire week we were trending up here. Let's take a look and see all of the breakout days that we had here. We can see it better on the 15-minute. So Monday we had a plus breakout setup here on Monday. Price consolidated a little bit. Okay, and then finally that evening it finally broke to the upside. And then Tuesday we had what we call a consolidation day. Price moved sideways, and then it actually pulled back. So I was in a little bit of drawdown when price pulled back here on Tuesday. Then finally Wednesday we got our A plus buy set up here for a breakout to the upside. Okay, let's take a look at Thursday. Thursday was another breakout day. As you guys see, price broke out to the upside here on Thursday. And then finally on Friday, we had another A plus buy setup for breakout to the upside here on USD CAD. All right. So again, we're just going to continue to trade the trend, right? The strategy is very simple. It's not nothing that you have to overthink. We're not looking for all these different confluences. always simply doing, guys, is looking at the higher time frame trend and trading in that direction. So for an example, if the trend on a 4-hour time frame is bullish, that means on the 15-minute time frame, we're looking for A+ buy setups. Okay, we're only looking to take trades in that direction. All right. If it's not going in that direction, we don't take the trade. All right, we're only looking to trade the trend. All right. The reason why is because this offers the highest probability trade, and it's simple trading. We're not trying to do too much. It's very, very simple. Also, when you're trading this, you'll see that I'm actually holding these trades. Okay, so I'm holding these trades, swinging these trades. So once we get our pullback, the next time we get if price stays above the 47 moving average, once we get our pullback, I'm looking for a breakout to the upside here on USD CAD, and we're just going to continue to hold this until price breaks structure on the higher time frame. Okay, once price breaks structure on the higher time frame, then we will close our positions. Ultimately, this allows you to not only swing trade these positions, but also take breakouts where you can add higher lot sizes. So going forward, you guys are going to see that I'm going to be adding higher lot sizes on these breakout points. So I usually open up multiple positions, and the reason for opening up multiple positions because that allows me to grab my 20 pips and dip. Okay, so when I take these breakouts, I'm usually looking to get 20 to 25 pips, sometimes more. Okay, on the initial lot size. Okay, once price hits my TP, then I have a runner that's going to run and continue to hold that trade until, again, price breaks structure on the higher time frame. So what do I mean by that? Let's take a look at an example of breaking structure. A good pair that was trending was Euro NZD. Okay, so Euro NZD. If we take a look at this example right here, we had a trend change candle, that yellow candle right here. Make it bigger so you guys can see. This candle right here was our trend change candle. Let us know that price is going to be trending up, right? So as long as price stays above these moving averages, then we're going to continue to hold this position. Price broke below. Okay, that yellow candle was a trend change candle. Now I close all positions. Okay, close all positions because now the trend has changed. You can see the trend has changed, and now we're trending lower. Okay, so again, on this side of the market, you'll be only looking for buy setups or buy breakouts. On this side, you're only looking for sell breakouts. Okay, simple strategy. Very, very simple. Let's go to a different pair. Let's go to GCAD. So I did lose a trade this week because I took a trade on GCAD. Now, why did I take this trade? Simply, if you look at the 4-hour time frame here on, let's do this. All right, we're above the 47 moving average, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 15 minutes so I can show you guys this. And Thursday, this is where I took that $25 loss. So you can go back and watch the video. But here, earlier the day, I decided to take this buy breakout. Now, the reason why I decided to take this buy breakout is because the higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, was bullish, and I thought price was going to continue to push higher, but this was a pullback day. This is where you have uncertainty. This is nothing you can do about this move right here. So that's why we use our stop loss. So when price hits our stop loss, we take a small loss. We didn't blow the entire account, and we keep it pushing. So you can be right about the direction, just wrong about the timing. Now, if we look at Friday exploded. This is the move I was looking for, okay, for price to continue up here on GCAD. I knew I was right about the direction, just wrong about the timing. And this is just uncertainty with the market, and this is nothing that you can control, okay? The only thing you can control is your risk, how much you're willing to lose. And you're going to take losses. It's part of the game. It's not like we're not looking for 100% win rate. We're just looking to win consistently. And with this strategy, you're able to win consistently simply by following a set of rules of trading in the direction of the higher time frame. That's all we're doing. Okay. So lesson learned this week. I felt like it was a great trading week. Wasn't stressed at all about the movements. I know clearly what I'm doing now. I have clearly in my mind what I'm looking for when I come to the chart. It's very simple. I'm not confused about what I'm looking for. The strategy is simple, guys. It's a no-brainer. Okay, you can go to any pair. Okay, and all you're going to do is, if we look at GBP USD for an example, okay, price has been unusually bullish here on GBP USD, but again, if you just follow and stick with the plan, we're clearly above the 47 moving average. That means let's go to GU on the 15 minute and look at the week and see how many breakouts to the upside do we have. So we had Monday was a pullback day. So if you're looking for buy setups, you wouldn't have taken this trade. Tuesday was a buy breakout. You could have taken that trade. That was more than 25 pips. Let's take a look from here to here. Yep, was about 26 pips. Okay, and then again, if you would have left a runner, you would have had more pips because price continued up. Now, Wednesday was a pullback day. You can see sell pullback, and Tuesday was a sell pullback. So price really consolidated this week here with GU. So you're going to get weeks like that. Okay. So again, if you're sticking with the rules, you wouldn't even have taken these trades because they're not in alignment with the higher time frame. Okay. I'm bearish on the GU. I'm waiting for price to actually come down on the higher time frame. So we'll see what happens here. But Friday we had a consolidation type breakout happening here with GU for NFP. But let's go to a nice trending pair. Let's see. Let's take a look at the JPY pairs. They had a pullback this week. CAD JPY, okay. Obviously, we are bearish. We're below the 47 moving average. So that means on the 15-minute time frame, the days that we are trading, we're only looking for sell breakouts. So let's see if we had any opportunities. So Monday, consolidated, no trade. Tuesday, no trade. Wednesday, you may have taken this sell, but again, it consolidated. And then Thursday, consolidated, and then Friday, finally you got a breakout to the downside. Okay. So again, following the higher time frame rules is going to keep you out of bad trades if you strictly following the rules, and that's what it comes down to, right? If it's not a breakout in your direction, don't take it. Okay, don't take it at all. Okay, so the JPY pairs have been consolidating, getting ready for a big move, and that's going to happen. So this is why you got to keep different pairs in your arsenal just to see what pairs are trending for the week. Let's take a look at AUD CAD on the higher time frame. Okay, so AUD CAD, if I was looking at the chart, nothing else. I'm looking at where the 47 moving average is. All right, 47 moving average is above, so that means we're looking for buy breakouts. Let's go to Monday. Did we have an opportunity to take a buy breakout? No, we wouldn't have taken this trade because it's not a buy breakout. Let's take a look at Tuesday. Tuesday would have been a winning trade for us. Okay, this trade went how many pips? Let's see, from here to here, 39 pips for the day on Tuesday. Okay, and then you would have kept a runner because again the higher time frame was bullish, so you would have got more pips. You would have caught this whole entire move from Tuesday going into Wednesday. Wednesday consolidated, if you pretty much consolidated, because you would have got to the chart 8 o'clock around here. So price was playing around, and then it continued until Thursday. Thursday was a pullback day. Again, you would have had your runner running from. So let's say you entered this position with 2 positions. I'm sorry. Let's do this. Just say this is your entry. Okay, we'll make it black. And that's your entry. Okay. From how this strategy works, that's your entry from Tuesday, because that lined up with the higher time frame. You got the nice, beautiful breakout. You got your initial 20-25 pips, took the profit, and now you got a runner just running for the whole entire week. Okay. And then Friday was another day for you to add a higher lot size for this breakout to the upside. Okay. And again, you're still holding this because, again, we haven't broken structure on the higher time frame. Price has not broke below. Okay, so we're going to get a slight pullback, and then price should continue higher here on AUD CAD. So you see how that works, guys. Very simple. Nothing you have to overthink. This process is simple. Try it out for yourselves and see how it works out for you. Okay, so if you want access to this CCORB, let's turn off the CC trend. If you want access to this indicator, totally free. Just go and click the link at the bottom of the page. Make sure you join our CC Trend Pro community. Link will be below. And you can see everybody's having amazing results inside our community, sharing their results using the system, guys. Okay, simply using the system. And you too can attain some of these results if you follow the rules. So continue to like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.